This is our final video here on slope-intercept form, changing slope-intercept form. Okay, so let's look back and review a little bit. What is slope-intercept form? So know what we're doing to change to it, we have to know what it is. Okay, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Remember that equation that we've been working with? Y equals mx plus b, that is slope-intercept form, okay? So, when we're talking about changing to slope-intercept form, we're talking about when we're given something like these practice problems here, okay? Something that comes to us that doesn't look anything like y equals a number times x plus another number, right? This looks a lot different, okay? So we're trying to figure out how can we get that into the format that we're looking at so we know what we've got. Okay, so the steps to take when you're doing this. Your first step, you are looking for any place where you see parentheses, okay? Anytime where you see parentheses, you're looking to distribute, okay? You guys know what that means? Let's give you an example, and you might want to write this down. Hint, hint, okay? When you have parentheses, let's say inside my parentheses I have 2x minus 1, okay? And it's being multiplied by 3. Okay, this is a case of parentheses where I need to distribute. What that means is that I need to take 3 and I need to multiply it by all of the parts in my parentheses, okay? So I would write 3 times 2x plus 3 times negative 1, okay? If we simplified that quick, it would be 6x minus 3, okay? That is what it means to distribute. It means you take the first number and you're multiplying it by all of the parts inside of your parentheses. Okay, so that's your first step. When you get an equation, you're looking to see, are there parentheses? Do I need to distribute? Okay? Then you are looking to combine like terms. That means anywhere you see x's or y's or a variable. This is talking about variables. And perhaps numbers too, okay? So if I see something that's 2x plus 2 minus x plus 7 equals y, okay? I see x's up here that I can put together. I see a 2x minus x, right? 2 minus 1 is 1x. And I see a 2 and a 7. Those are both just numbers. They can go together. 2 plus 7 is 9, okay? Y is all by itself. It doesn't have any like terms in this case. That's what it means to put like terms together, okay? Last thing up here, well, not last thing, sorry, third thing up here, you're looking to get y alone on one side of the equation, okay? That means at the end it should look like y equals everything else, okay? So this means you might need to add something or subtract something to the other side, okay? You're looking. Is there something being added to y that I need to move to the other side? Is there something being subtracted from y that I need to move to the other side of the equation? Okay? Let's look down here at our big hint that says, remember, to move a number to the other side of the equation, we must do the opposite, okay? That means if it's being multiplied by something, we have to divide. If there's something being added, we have to subtract. We always need to do the opposite, okay? Our very last step is to divide by the coefficient of y. So if we get something where it's 2y equals 2x, you need to divide both sides by 2 so you can get y alone, okay? So this would just be y equals x. All right. Now that we have those ideas in our head of what we're working with here, let's try a couple examples. I'm going to do the first two together with you. I want you guys to try number 3 and 4 on your own, okay? They should be completed. Let's look up at number 1. We have negative 4y equals 2 times parentheses here, 3 minus 5x. What do we do first? That's right, parentheses. We need to distribute. Do you see parentheses up here? I do too, okay? Right here are parentheses. So we need to take 2 and multiply it by both parts. So we would have negative 4y equals 2 times 3 plus 2 times negative 5x. Okay, so let's simplify that. Negative 4y equals, well, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times negative 5x. What is that? That's plus negative 10x. Okay, so let's look back. Step 3 here says to get y alone on one side of the equation. Do we have y's on one side, everything else on the other? Looks good, I think so. So our very last one, number 4, divide by the coefficient of y. What is y's coefficient here? I see a negative 4 in front, so I need to divide both sides by negative 4, okay? Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is just 1. So we have y equals 6 divided by negative 4. Those are both divisible by 2. I get 3 halves, and is it positive or negative? Remember, positive 6 divided by negative 4 should be negative. Plus, I have negative 10 divided by negative 4. Can I simplify that one as well? Okay, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Is it positive or negative? It's a negative 10 divided by a negative 4. So a negative divided by a negative is positive. And it wasn't just 10, it was 10x. So this is an x. Okay, does this look like y equals mx plus b? Is it y equals a number times x plus another number? All right, it's pretty close. We just need to switch these around. Remember, that's the commutative property. It doesn't matter which order you add things in. So we could write this y equals 5 halves x minus 3 halves. Okay, and we have our m, our slope of 5 halves, and our b, or the y-intercept, of negative 3 halves. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of work, isn't it? Okay, this time I'm going to have you guys guide me through it. What do you think I should do? Number 2 says 2x plus 3y equals 8x minus 12. What do you think we do first? I don't see parentheses. Are there like terms? Well, I see a 2x and an 8x that can go together. How do we get them there? That's right, it's added on this side, so we need to subtract 2x from both sides, okay? So this one cancels out. I have 3y equals, what's 8x minus 2x? Good, 6x minus 12. Okay, what else do I need to do? I have my y's alone on one side. I need to divide by the coefficient. What is the coefficient of y here? Good, it's 3, so I need to divide both sides by 3. Okay? So this one becomes y equals 6 divided by 3 is 2x, and negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. Y equals 2x minus 4. Does this look like y equals mx plus b? I think so. We have an m, or a slope of 2, and a b of negative 4. Okay, I want you guys to try numbers 3 and 4 on your own for this worksheet. And then you have problems in the book to practice some more. This is changing to slope-intercept form.